starting the session with a quote from one of my favorite philosophers, Friedrich Nietzsche. He who has a why can bear almost any how. Beautiful, isn't it? Now, before we dive into today's lesson, let me start by saying this. I'm naturally a very motivated person. I like to set goals, I like to work hard at them, and I like reaching them as much as I enjoy the journey towards them. But there is one thing that makes me even more motivated and even more driven to the goals I set. That is knowing my why, which is why I urge you to know yours, for yourself, your work, and your life, for every single action you do. Because if you don't know why you're doing it, you should question why you're wasting any time or energy on it. Everything in your life should have a clear purpose, even if that purpose is pure pleasure. Knowing that purpose behind every action is what makes it easier to prioritize, plan, and make time for the fun. It also gives you direction, determination, and resilience in whatever you do. Because when you know why you do what you do, you're much more likely to fight through challenges and bounce back from setbacks. That's why you should make it a habit to ask yourself, why do you do what you do? It's that simple, really. Why do you do what you do? Then direct this question towards your life, your job, or a specific task that is annoying you or frustrating you. Don't get daunted by the idea that in order to have a why and to have a sense of purpose in your life, you need to be solving some massive humanitarian cause like curing cancer or abolishing poverty or solving some massive humanitarian issue. Sure, those are all great causes to work for, but a sense of purpose isn't limited to them. Purpose is you simply knowing your why and what is meaningful to you. What is it that makes your life worthwhile? What is it that makes you jump out of bed in the morning? Knowing this overarching why and knowing the specific little whys behind everything you do will help you to get empowered, to feel fulfilled, and to make stuff happen. This is especially powerful when it comes to connecting to your work in a more meaningful way. For example, if you think your work is just a way to pay your bills and that's it, it's a simple job for you. If you connect with your job and understand why you do it, that's when it starts to become a career. And last but not least, if your work is something that gives you a massive sense of purpose and plays a big part in living a meaningful life, that's when it's your true calling. And as you can see from this graph, the more purpose you feel, the more passionate you will feel. So today's homework is you to ask yourself, why do you do what you do? Think both big and small. Think of your overarching life purpose and also think of all the little things you do daily and what their little whys are. Then challenge yourself further by asking, how can you have even more purpose in your life? Brainstorm some answers and go make them happen. Then simply enjoy the fulfillment that comes from them. Have fun with it. Good luck, and I will see you in the next lesson.